May I come in, sir?
Please come in. Please take your seat. Person name?
My name is Muhammad Saiful Islam.
Muhammad Saiful Islam. Can I tell you Saiful?
Yes, you can.
Saiful, please tell me something about yourself.
Yes, my name is Muhammad Saiful Islam. I am a student of class 10 and I study at Bangla High School.
Wow. You are a student of class 10?
Yes.
Today, I'll talk to you something about your friends. Can you tell me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have so many friends.
Wow, you have so many friends. How many friends do you have?
I have 10 friends.
You have approximately 10 friends.
Yes.
Okay. Who is your best friends?
One friend is my very closest. His name is Muhammad Abdullah.
His name is Muhammad Abdullah. Does he keep you company in all good times?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me some characteristics of Muhammad Abdullah?
Yes. Muhammad Abdullah is a great friend to me. He is tall and brave. He always advises me which is good.
Wow. With whom do you like to most go to visit any new places?
I like to visit any places with 2 or 3 friends.
2 or 3 friends. In which places would you like to go first?
I would like to go the natural environment.
Natural environment. Can you tell me the places names?
Yes. This place's name is Sundarban.
Sundarban. Have you ever went there or will you go?
Yes, I think I will go there.
You will go there, but you never went there.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any friendly neighbor?
Yes, I have some friendly neighbor.
Some friendly neighbor. Can you tell me their name?
Yes, their name is Muhammad Akash and Muhammad Shakib Al Hassan.
Shakib Al Hassan. Wow, Shakib Al Hassan is a player's name.
Yes, yes.
Does he able to play cricket?
Yes, he is well in played cricket.
Okay. With whom do you feel like so much better among of your friends?
Among of all my friends, I like feel better with Abdullah.
Abdullah. Do you think that your all friends are good company for reaching your goal?
No, I think so. Though there are many friends, but all of my friends is not good to reach my goal.
Do you think that you should only accompany with them who will accompany to you to reach your goal?
Yes, I think to you. Same to you.
Do you think that you should reject that sorts of friends who are not who never keep you company for reaching your goal?
Yes, I will. Sometimes I reject those friends who is not good for me, who is a bar to reach the goal to reach my goal.
Do you think that if you reject them, they will be so much worse than now? But if you want to change their life, you should accompany to them? Yes,
I think if I do something for their life, for their better life, it's will good.
It's will good. So I think that if you would like to change their life with you, you should accompany them.
Yes.
And if you think that if you go with them, your life will be destroyed, that time you shouldn't go with them. Okay. Now I'll tell you the last question. Do you think all persons should keep their good friends for accompany to them for reaching their goals or doing any good things?
Please again.
Do you think that all persons should have some friends who are good and reject some friends who are bad.
Yes, I think that we should have some friends who is good for us, who is better to reach our goal, and we also reject them who is not character, who has not good character. These types of friends should be rejected by all person.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for telling me something about your friends. But next day or
Yes.
in next section when we'll practice that time, I'll try to ask you about your family or other things. Okay,
Yes.
thank you. No more today. Goodbye.
Yes.